like to start by welcoming everybody here and thanking you for coming here and showing me your love and affection. I would also like to say that our people who have lost members of their family, they are mothers and our sisters, and I would like to give them an assurance that the Congress party is going to fight for them, is going to ensure that they have a bright future. I can see when I was meeting them that they feel that maybe they will have a difficult future because their husbands or their sons have committed suicide. But I want them to know that myself, the PCC president and the Congress party are going to work to ensure that their future is secure. And I also know that just like these families on the stage, there are many other families in Andhra. Families of farmers, families of weavers who are concerned, who are worried, who feel maybe they do not have a future. And I want to tell them that they should not worry, they should not be scared. Together we are going to fight for them. We are going to ensure that the farmers, the weavers, the poor people of Andhra, not only Andhra, the whole of India, have a great future. Indira Amma came here, she stood there on that stage, and I was a little boy who grew up in her house. The values and the ideas that she left behind are not only in my mind, they are in my blood and in my veins. For me, an India where poor people do not have a future, where farmers do not have confidence, where weavers do not believe in the future of their children, is not a worthwhile India. The farmer, the weaver, the youngster, they all work hard for this country. They work hard for this state. And we are not ready to accept an India or an Andhra where the people who work hard, where the people who give their blood, where the people who give their soul get nothing in return. Some time back, Parliament, the government of India decided to change our land bill. The crux of the land bill, the bill that we put through Parliament, was that farmers should be asked their permission before their land is taken away from them. The bill ensured that politicians and their big businessmen friends could not just go and take land away from farmers. The bill ensured that the people who worked on the farms, not just the farmers but the laborers, would also get a share of benefits. And the bill also said that if the industrialist who takes the land or the government does not use the land within 5 years, that land will go back to the farmer. When Mr. Modi came to power, he came to power on the back of the people who wanted to change the land bill. The unwritten promise, the promise that the Prime Minister did not tell India about, was that he had told his friends that he will take the land away from the farmers. The Prime Minister of India was under the impression that he could easily take away the land from the farmers and change the bill. He said in Parliament that we will carry out development on the back of the land of the farmers. The Congress party took a stand in Parliament and we decided that we are not going to let the Prime Minister take the land of India's farmers that easily. The Congress party and the farmers of this country decided to show a little bit of the power of the farmers to the Prime Minister. And we did not even show 10% of the strength of the farmers of India. And suddenly the Prime Minister of India understood that he cannot push the farmers of this country. In Andhra there is something very interesting going on. The government of India has committed to Andhra Pradesh the special status and the Polavaram. The same way the Prime Minister wanted to take land away from the farmers. He wants to take special status and Polavaram away from the people of this state. I can fully understand the intention of the Prime Minister. But what I don't understand is the intention of the Chief Minister of this state and of the other party. I don't understand why these two parties are not fighting for special status. I do not understand why these two parties are not fighting for Polavaram. Why are they scared to ask for what is due to Andhra? Why are they not on the streets of this state asking for special status? Why are they not on the streets of this state asking for Polavaram? What is it about their past that is making them sell your future? The Congress party fought the fight of the farmers and fought the government, we fought the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister and the government have changed their mind about the land bill. And the Congress party and I am not scared of anything or anybody. So what I have come here to tell you, the Congress party is going to fight for special status of Andhra Pradesh. It is going to fight for Polavaram. And wherever the people of Andhra want me to go to fight for special status, to fight for Polavaram, I am ready to come. I mentioned to you Indira Amma's visit here in 1979. I have a similar relationship with the people of Andhra that Indira Amma had. And we are going to fight for what is your due. Unlike the two other parties in the state, we are not going to compromise with your future. Andhra Pradesh needs Polavaram and special status to become the #1 state in the country. And the Congress party is going to work towards that goal. Thank you.
కొండ కవర్ల వరకు ఉంటుంది కొండ కవర్ల వరకు పాదయాత్ర